dirty as all hell. Oh damn, conditioner's over there, buddy. Yo, shit. Make sure we get the best of her. Lots of bugs on it. All washed up, ready to go once we get off work. See how that foam cleaner works. Usually on the black. Woo! Okay. Usually with the black paint you always see watermarks and dust and stuff like that, but see how it looks. What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Denali, aka Don Squally. We back at it. It's another little G35 vlog. Back on those metas. Upgraded the resolution, so when I crop it down this time to 16:9, it should look a little bit better. But as you can see, we've got some wildfire smoke out here in Toronto, Canada. Been a crazy apocalyptic day. I don't know how the metas are going to adjust to this lighting here, but I'm not going to throw any filters on this. This is just the raw footage here. But we're just going to basically drive home, get some footage. I don't know. We'll see if this continues on into tomorrow. If it does, we'll probably, I don't know, add a few clips together. We'll see how the drive goes. Just trying to get some vlogs going again. I did a live on the @DonSqually channel. On that channel, it's a gaming channel. I did a live where I was IRL driving this thing. I don't know if I'm able to stream from the glasses directly to YouTube. I got to figure that out. But I figured I'd start putting just some driving clips together of the car because I do have it out. It's running good. And, you know, I just figured we'd make some content since it's been a hot minute and your boy's trying to get back at it. And I think these glasses are going to make things a little bit easier since I don't have to always carry a camera around. Just wear them, turn them on, and just start yakking. So yeah, let's go for a little cruise, man. I'm gonna throw some tunes on. I guess if we get into some action, then I'll just have to turn the music down. All right, man, let's get into her. Got a little bit of Webby on the MP3 there. So like just getting in the car and leaving work, I actually noticed like a bunch of ashes all over the hood, all over the roof, which kind of sucks because I did wash this thing this morning on the way into work, but hopefully once we get driving, the ashes will all kind of blow off. Honestly, bro, these Elantras are very intriguing. Like, I keep seeing them everywhere. I'm seeing them all online and stuff. And I know everyone's recommending, oh, just get a Type R, whatever. But, I mean, I never heard a Type R that sounds like this thing, man. Honestly. M35, M35X. Just feels weird, man. It feels like when you're Call of Duty Warzone, when like the smog's like coming in, the gas closing in on you. That's what it feels like right now, man. Just eerie, bro. Woo. Tesla's moving. Bro, it's literally the same ish that we just saw, except that's the S3. The other one I guess was a A3. That doesn't make sense. Bro, the Scion FRS BRZ. That thing will forever have a place in my heart, dude. When I was getting started on YouTube, had my Altima. I don't even think it was lowered at the time. One of my buddies, John, he had a BRZ, orange, burnt orange. Man, the thing, he got that thing sideways. Probably the first car I ever been sideways in that wasn't like one of my dad's cars. Yeah, man, and it was just, man, I remember going to a couple of, man, can you like shut the fuck up actually? Less chatty. Yeah, that sounds great. I remember going to a couple meets with them, and I don't know, it was just one of the first videos that I thought was just gonna blow up and get me a lot of clout, and yeah, like those cars. I don't think I'd ever buy one, but I got respect for them for sure. Well, the Teslas are moving heavy today. Get out the way of them things. Woo! Never gets old. Bro, it's still crazy out here, man. Usually you can see the Niagara Escarpment up over here. It is just smoke everywhere, man. I don't know if this camera is gonna pick it up. We'll see post-production, but damn. Crazy, bro. Bro, I'm trying to see if I can get a run with this C5, but the mom in the Atlas here is just got that bitch on turbo right now. Shit! Here comes the Atlas. Woo! Get her! Me, not sure why my shoulders are hurting. Also me. Got the Miata on the RPF ones. Some old dude, probably a few years older than me. Respects, bro, respects. What we got here, the Honda Civic. Acura hugging them corners. Boy's running hot, man. The 8 or a 6, bro. Maybe it's a 4. I'm not really sure these days. I have 4 bangers that identify as muscle cars. Wow. Alright, definitely a 4-cylinder. It's one of those they-them Mustangs, bro. Got the homies G35 up here for sale if anyone's looking. Dope. Again, I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick this up, but now look at how blue it is here. Watch the light that comes in. Orange, bro. Orange. I kind of like it, man. I'm not gonna lie. I could deal with this hue on a daily basis, for real.